Hi everyone, welcome to Module 6. We're really finishing things up here. We have just this module and one other module until the course is finished. So what I'm going to do in this video is go through Module 6's activities and assignments. So first let's take a look at our agenda. And in this module we'll be addressing Learning Objective 6 from the syllabus, which focuses on abnormal psychology and therapy. We're going to cover chapters 12 and 13 in our textbook, so please read those. As we scroll down, you'll see a video on mental illness by Ellen Sachs. Ellen is an accomplished law professor who also has schizophrenia. In the video, Ellen describes her experience with schizophrenia and what it's like to live with the illness, and I think it's my favorite video of the course because I think it's really useful to show someone who has mental illness for them to talk about their experiences and get that firsthand personal knowledge about what it's like to live with mental health issues and go through therapies. You'll also have a discussion board question on the video. The next thing in our module is the Module 6 quiz. It's 10 questions long, and you have 30 minutes to complete all 10 questions. It covers chapters 12 and 13. Next is the Module 6 discussion board. As usual, you'll have 2 prompts to respond to. For one of the prompts, you'll be asked to share your thoughts on the treatment of mental illness after watching the Ellen Sachs video I just described. And the second prompt asks you to do a case study of sorts by selecting a mental illness from the textbook that you'd like to learn more about. You'll then find a well-known person who you believe may have that illness, and you'll describe at least 2 symptoms of the illness that person has. And on a side note here, I do want to clarify that a section of the textbook has become outdated. Since the textbook was published, a new version of the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, which is called the DSM for short, has been published. And the DSM is the official document that clinicians and medical professionals use to diagnose and treat mental illnesses. So a new version of this DSM book has been published since our textbook was published. And in this updated DSM, gender identity disorder has been removed from the DSM. So it's no longer a mental illness. So gender identity disorder is covered on page 528 in your textbook. So just know that even though your textbook says that it's a disorder, it's not really a disorder anymore. It's been removed from the manual. So in your discussion board post, please don't select Caitlyn Jenner as your case study because gender identity disorder is not a disorder anymore. If you'd like any more information about this, I'd be happy to give you more information. I also thought a quick Google search was a quick way to get some general information on why gender identity disorder was removed from the DSM as well, if you want a quick answer. And okay, back to our module. The last thing we have in this module is that the paper assignment is going to be due on Thursday, which is January 11th. And I've talked about this in other contexts, so I won't go over it here. But just wanted to give you a quick reminder that that's due. And this is the location where you will submit the paper assignment. So when you go to submit it, when you're finished writing, submit it here in Module 6 by clicking on this link. You can either upload a Word document as an attachment, or you can copy and paste it into the text editor in this link here. If you have any last-minute questions about the paper assignment, please feel free to contact me. I'll do my best to answer any little last-minute questions. And all of your Module 6 activities and assignments are due on Thursday, January 11th. So that's your Module 6 quiz, Module 6 discussion board, posts, and your paper assignment. And as always, let me know if you have questions, and I'll see you later.